Hello! Today we are taking a look at the Kuulaa magnetic charging cable. Have fun with the video! The cable set is delivered in this packaging. As we can see on the packaging, the cable comes with 3 different adapters: USB-C, micro USB and Lightning. The cable can also be charged quickly with 3 amps. On the back we find a short description and the manufacturer's company data. Well, let's see inside the box. As we can see immediately, I get a double set. In other words, I get all parts twice. Let's take a closer look at the cable first. The cable is sleeved with black fabric and is very flexible. The fabric is clean all around and has no fringes. The plug also looks absolutely fine. I don't see any unsightly spots. The small connector has an LED. For a test I plug the cable into my power bank. As we can see, the LED lights up as soon as there is power on the cable. Regardless of whether a device is plugged in or not. Now the magnetic adapters. I get 6 pieces here, of course. Let's go through them one by one. First of all, we have a micro USB adapter. Then a USB-C adapter. And a Lightning adapter. All 3 are neatly processed and magnetic. Now let's test the cable's magnetic lock. The adapters connect neatly and easily to the cable. Even removing it is okay in terms of effort. The cable therefore has sufficient strength to prevent it from being accidentally detached. It is also not a problem if the adapter isn't perfectly aligned. The adapter rotates into the correct position by itself. For a further test, I plug the cable into my smartphone. The adapter fits in my Rhino Shield case perfectly. You can already find a video on my channel. The connection works perfectly. The cable can also be used in both directions. To show you how far the adapter protrudes from my device, I remove my cover. As you can see, the adapter protrudes very far from my device. If you want to have the adapter plugged into your device without the cover, you should definitely take this into account. With my cover it ends pretty well. To my conclusion. I like the cable very much. It is well made and the connection has not caused any problems for me so far. Fast charging also went smoothly on my device. I don't need all adapters, but I think it is great to have them. After all, you get a visitor that needs a power cable and the correct plug. Therefore, top product and completely recommendable. But if you wanted to use without the case, then I would rather stay away from it. What is your experience with magnetic charging cables? I would appreciate your opinion in the comments. See you next time!